Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some Modelones products because they are having a huge discount from June 26th to July the 12th. They're having a huge discount for Amazon Prime Day where you would get huge discounts on dip powders, solid cream, gels, polygels, and gel polishes. So these are some of the items that they sent. So let's get right into this video. So the first one here is a nail dehydrator and primer, and you will be getting 52% off from this. So I'm just going to be unboxing this. I show the back of the box because there are some instructions and some warnings on how to store the items at the back, and there's also some instructions inside of the box as well. So yes, y'all will be seeing everything that I'm going to be unboxing right here. I will have all of the information and the links to all of the products in the description below. So this one here, you are going to be getting 52% off on this item on Amazon Prime Day. So in this box, you get some instructions. These question and answers are really helpful because I never know which one to apply first. So it was really helpful for them to add that to the question and answer, and there's also instructions and stuff like that. However, I do wish companies would place step 1 and step 2 on the bottles as well. That would be super helpful, but it was great that they placed it in the instructions, and I think it would be wise as nail enthusiast that you write it on the bottle or something like that, because eventually I would forget which one to apply first and which one to apply second. Now moving on to this Modelones 6-color gel polish set, which would also be on sale on Amazon Prime Day, and these are different shades of pink gel polishes. So I'm just going to be unboxing that, and as you see, you get some instructions on how to apply it, which is super easy to do, and also a catalog of all of Modelones products that they offer. So now I'm just going to be taking out all of the gel polishes so that I can show you guys how all of the gel polishes look. And this gel polish set is called a Barbiecore shades. That is the name of this gel polish set. All of them are different shades of pink, so the name really suits it, a Barbiecore shades. So I'm going to be showing you guys how all of the gel polishes look, and this first gel polish here looks a bit white. To be honest, it does not look like pink. It is a very light pink. It's more of a nude-ish color. I'm not even sure what color this is, but you can see some pink undertones when you look at this, but it's not that much compared to the rest of gel polishes, but it looks good. So I am going to be swatching all of the gel polishes so that y'all can see, and pink is my favorite color, so this was my favorite product in all of the items that Modelones sent, and these gel polishes are really good. I didn't have a problem with application. They applied really smoothly, and I did 2 layers in order to reach full opacity. However, 1 layer could have been good enough, but I wanted that second layer of opacity. So I'm just going to be swatching all of the gel polishes for y'all to see how they all look. And as I said before, if y'all are interested in anything that I am unboxing, I will have the link in the description below to all of the items, and make sure to purchase something on Amazon Prime Day. And I believe this sale is from June 26th, which was a few days ago, until July the 13th. So be sure to purchase one of these items because it's really affordable. Modelones has always been affordable, so the fact that we are getting so much percentage off on these items still, it's really amazing. So I would highly recommend purchasing 1 or 2 of these items. So this is after applying the 2 layers to the swatches and my gel top coat, and these colors are so beautiful. Let me know what you guys think about it. So these will be on sale on Amazon Prime Day as well. The link to that gel polish set will be in the description below. Now moving on to my Modelones Poly Nail Extension Kit, which you would get for 54% off on Amazon Prime Day. So I'm going to be unboxing this as well. This is a 6-color polygel kit. It's mostly nude, clear, black and pink, and these are really pretty. I loved all of the colors. It is a standard polygel kit. So yeah, I'm just going to be doing an unboxing so that y'all can see. First thing I got, the instructions, very detailed. All of Modelones items has detailed instructions. So we will get to the polygels later on. So the other items I got are some dual forms, a hand file 100/180 grit, some slip solution right here, and my polygel brush, and also a 6-watt nail lamp, and the gel base coat and top coat. Now going back to the polygels, you get 6 polygels. This first one here is a black polygel, so I'm just going to be taking them out for y'all to see, and I'm going to be swatching all of them. So this is the clear right here, and all of them came with that foil to protect the polygel from spilling. So I'm just going to try to remove it. The clear one was so difficult to remove. All of the others were very easy to remove, but the clear foil was really difficult. So yeah, I'm just going to be swatching it. And when I was swatching the clear was soft, but it wasn't super runny. And I really loved how clear this clear looked. I haven't used Modelones polygel in a while, so I was pleasantly surprised at how clear this polygel looked. I really loved it. I think I could give my cart a run for its money because this clear looks super clear. I can't wait to use it and let you all know exactly how I feel about it when I use it. So anyway, this is after curing the polygel and they look so gorgeous. I can't wait to do a design with them. Now moving on to my Modelones 32-piece dip powder nail kit. You will be getting this for 47% off on Amazon Prime Day. And these colors are really nice. The colors are more for the fall, if you're thinking like that, because most of the colors are pretty dark. It wasn't for the summer in my opinion, but that's nothing. I really liked it anyway. There were a lot of glitters in this kit as well, so I'm just showing you guys everything that comes. I got some instructions as usual and another Modelones product catalog. And then I also got a cuticle pusher and some cuticle oil, a mini brush, a buffing block, a 100/180 grit hand file, and the dip powder liquid. So we get a dip powder base, dip powder activator, dip powder top coat, and dip powder brush saver. Then we get 20 dip powder colors. So I'm not going to be swatching the 20 dip powder colors because I do not have enough swatches to swatch 20 dip powders. So I'm just going to be picking them out at random to show you guys how they look. And most of them I really liked. There really wasn't any that I didn't like. It was very difficult to get the dip powder containers out of this kit right here. Some of them flew and almost hit me in my eye, so be careful when you are pulling these containers out from this kit right here, this plastic thing, so be careful about that. So yeah, I'm just going to be picking them out at random and opening them up just so that y'all can see what they look like. And every time I get a dip powder kit, I always make sure to look for the nude dip powders, because most times I use nude dip powder with another color, so I always make sure to look for the nude dip powder. So I did find two. I would be showing you guys. Those are the two that I swatched, because I always need to swatch the nude, because as I said before, I use the nude most times when I'm doing dip powder nails. There is one more product that I haven't gotten yet. Hopefully I will get it soon. I will do a mini unboxing so that y'all can see it, because I will be showing you guys how to use some of the products that I got in this kit right here. So stay tuned for that next video. So these are the two nude dip powders that I found in this kit. So I swatched them and this is how they look. Let me know which one y'all prefer. I prefer the one on the right, the lighter one. So yeah. So let me know what you guys think about all of the products that I received so far. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.